Okay, so magandang araw. So let's proceed our problem solving. We are now at problem number 5. Alright. So for problem number 5, we have to evaluate the integral of x raised to 4 e raised to 3x dx. Okay, now we have again a product of two functions of x. So we have x of 4, x raised to 4 and e raised to negative 3x. Again, similar with the first problems, we have to identify first kung sino yung gagawin nating u based on our ILATE or ILATE, sabi nung iba. So we have here algebraic. So x raised to 4, that is a polynomial. And then we also have exponential. So in this case, dapat una si algebraic. So we have here u. Ito yung magiging u natin. This will serve as our u. And this part is our dv. Okay. So in this case, let's proceed. We have let u is equal to x raised to 4. And then our du is equivalent to 4x cubed. Our dv is equivalent to e raised to 3x dx. And our v, so to get v again, we take the integral of both sides. So we apply integrations on both sides. So this becomes b, and then this becomes e raised to 3x over 3. Okay? So, kung medyo nalilito, balikan natin sa exponential function. Kapag may e raised to bx tayo, gawin nating general form na exponential, a raised to bx, the integral of a raised to bx dx, that would be a raised to bx over b ln a, or absolute value of a, since nakalon tayo. Now, in this case, since ang base ng ating exponential function is e, ln e is equal to 1, so that is why naging 3 na lang to. 3 ln e or 3 ln or 3 times 1. Okay. Now, so pwede na natin siyang ilagay doon sa ating formula wherein the integral of u dv is equivalent to uv minus the integral of v du. Okay? So in this case, we have u x raised to 4 multiplied by e raised to 3x over 3 minus the integral of v x raised to 4 multiplied by our v du. We have e raised to 3x over 3 multiplied by our du is 4x cubed dx. I forgot to add dx here, so may dx yan dapat. So again, this is a product of an algebraic and exponential. Again, so pauulit na naman tayo. So ang gawin na lang natin yung di table, So for our d, yan yung mga dinidifferentiate natin, or yun yung ating u. Okay? And then yung our I, ito na may ini-integrate natin. In this case, we have e raised to 3x. Okay? So the derivative of x raised to 4 with respect to x, that is 4x cubed. Then we have the derivative of 4x cubed, that is 12x squared. And then we have the derivative of 12x squared, we have 24x. Then lastly, we have 24 and then 0. Okay? So gagawin naman natin sa kabila, i-integrate naman natin siya. So this becomes e raised to 3x over 3. Then i-integrate ulit natin ito. Then I have now 1/3 e raised to 3x over 3 ulit. Okay? Then, so simplifying this becomes 1/9 e raised to 3x. So labas ko si 1/9. And then let's take the derivative of e raised to 3x. Yan ay e raised to 3x over 3, or that is simply 1/27 e raised to 3x. Then again, once more, we have 1/27. I-integrate natin si e raised to 3x ulit. That is e raised to 3x over 3. Or we have 1/81 e raised to 3x. And last one, we have 1/81. The integral of e raised to 3x is e raised to 3x over 3 which will give us 1 over 243 e raised to 3x. Now, since 0 na to, since algebraic yung unang term natin, yung u, ano, so, kailangan lang natin siyang i-differentiate hanggang sa mag-0 siya. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, we'll get the product of this. This is positive product, negative product, positive again, negative, and then another positive. So, i-assemble na natin siya. So, the integral of x raised to 4 multiplied by e raised to 3x dx is x raised to 4 times e raised to 3x over 3 minus 4x cubed multiplied by 1 over 9 e raised to 3x plus 12x squared multiplied by 1 over 27 e raised to 3x. Then we have minus 24x multiplied by 1 over 81 e raised to 3x. And then lastly, we have plus 24 multiplied by 1 over 81. This is 1 over 243 e raised to 3x. Okay, simplifying, factor out lang natin si e raised to 3x kasi common naman siya sa lahat. Then we have x raised to 4 over 3 minus 4x cubed over 9 plus, ito ay pwede natin tong i-divide sa 3 para maging lowest term natin to. We have 4 over 9 ulit, tama ba? So we have 4 over 9 x squared. Then we have here, to pwede ulit natin divide sa 3. We have 8 tsaka 27. So 8x over 27. Then lastly, we have plus. So ito ay 8 ulit, ito naman ay 81. So we have 8 over 81. And this is our answer. As meron tayong nakalimutan, indefinite ito, so may plus C. And finally, this is our answer for this problem.